Hello friends, we always use our smartphone for taking selfies, clicking pictures and also shooting video for YouTube. But we never use our laptop webcam for clicking pictures, taking selfies and shooting video because we know laptop webcam is one of the stupid thing of the generation. My name is Rushil Kumar and you guys are watching my YouTube channel Rushil Kumar. So in today's video, we'll discuss about why laptop webcam is having so poor quality and why it is not still improving. Please watch this video till the end.
Most of the uses of a laptop webcam is for a video calling, meeting online, live streaming and also a transmitting video content within real time over the internet. But we never use our laptop webcam for making or shooting a YouTube videos, reels or a photo shoot. Mobile camera is enough for these things. We use smartphones for making videos. A computer company and its maker spend most of their money and time on its component, hardware and software. The company and its maker never focus on its camera. Hence, a low quality camera is installed inside the laptop randomly. Laptop user also avoid same thing here. Whenever a new customer goes to buy a new laptop, we never check its camera quality and how many megapixel its camera have. We buy a laptop on the basis of its performance, its hardware and software, not because of its camera quality. And that time we don't even think about its camera. Laptop is bigger in size, heavy in weight and difficult to use, and it takes time to open its camera and we cannot take it anywhere. Hence, photography is not a good option in laptop. On the other hand, mobile phones are very smaller, very easy to carry and have faster response. Nowadays, mobile phones have excellent features like artificial intelligence that can help user to edit a photo. Big smartphone companies like Samsung and Apple focus mainly on its camera. That's why their mobile phones have become much more expensive than their laptop. And that's why most of the social media influencer, YouTube creator and celebrity uses a big flagship phone for clicking pictures. In laptop case, neither company nor its customer are interested in the camera, and that's why there is no relation between laptop and its camera. When all shooting, editing and uploading is done through the smartphones, then why would we use laptop?
So friends, I hope you guys like this information about why laptop webcam is so poor and why we always use a smartphone for clicking pictures. If you guys want to go see the unboxing video of this laptop and its camera picture quality, the link of this video will be given in description box below. And if you like this video, please like my video, share it more and more, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more unboxing videos and this type of technical content. Thanks for watching full video.